Properties of multiplication. Hello friends, I am Maya and I am going to teach you the properties of multiplication. Some of the properties you already know. Let's take a review of them. First is that if we change the order of the factors, then product remains the same. For example, 37 multiplied by 43 is equal to 43 multiplied by 37 is equal to 1591. 23 multiplied by 31 is equal to 31 multiplied by 23 is equal to 713. Second is that the product of any number and 1 is the same number. For example, 232 multiplied by 1 is equal to 232. 87 multiplied by 1 is equal to 87. Third is that the product of any number and 0 is 0. For example, 785 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. These are the properties you have already known. Now let's study some more properties of multiplication. First is that if any number is multiplied by even number, then the product is even. For example, 2351 multiplied by 4 is equal to 9404. 51 multiplied by 6 is equal to 306. Second property is that if an odd number is multiplied by another odd number, then the product is an odd number. For example, 2441 multiplied by 7 is equal to 17087.